Happy Friday, readers! Today, for our reading workshop, you are going to be spending time listening to our chapters 6 through 10 in The Tiger Rising. You have a digital copy at the bottom of today's lesson, so you can have that open so you can listen and read with Mrs. Ling. You'll be using those chapters to work in your book packet, which is the Tiger Rising book packet today. You should be keeping your Tiger Rising packet in your green ELA resource folder. So when you open it up, your packet is right inside. Take out your packet. Yesterday, Thursday, you should have submitted a completed picture of your front cover and then pages 1 through 4, which focused on the chapters that we read on Wednesday and Thursday, chapters 1 through 3. Today, we're going to be turning to the next section, which is going to be the chapters that we read together today, which is chapters 6 through 10. You are completing them entirely today. So you have all of your reading workshop time, and I gave you the additional 30 minutes of your read aloud time this afternoon. So you can listen to the chapters, begin your work in the morning, and then finish up what you didn't finish in the afternoon. These are pages 5 through 8. So the first one that says Dictionary Detective, you're going to write a 5 in the top corner to keep yourself organized. Turn the page. Page 6 is going to be the vocabulary study, so write page 6. Moving over to the side, the right side, the understanding story is page 7. And then the last page you're going to be working on today is page 8, which is your chapter summary. When you turn back to page 7, this short answer and long answer section is going to be identical to what you were asked to do for the first section. So when you look back at that section, you should have given yourself the reminders that these are to be answered in complete sentences, both sections. The short answer is going to be just required 1 to 2 complete sentences, and the long answer should be at least 3 or more complete sentences. So once again, we're going to write those reminders. So complete sentences, and you should be doing this as well on your own to keep track and remind yourself. And we said this is 1 to 2 sentences. And then the long answer, once again, is at least 3 complete sentences. And we should be practicing identifying the aspects which make it a complete sentence, which is a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence, punctuation mark at the end, and that each sentence has a subject or who the sentence is about and a predicate, what the subject is doing. So once again, today you are going to be listening to chapters 6 through 10. You have your 4 pages to be completing. On Monday, we are going to have our first Tiger Rising test using your book packets that will cover chapters 1 through 10. So the first 10 chapters, we're going to have our first test on Monday. You will be able to have your book packet out and use the information that you have recorded in your notes. So remember, listen carefully, have your digital copy of the chapters opened so you can refer to them when you're answering, and then you will be able to use your packet on Monday when we have our first Tiger Rising test.